Hello everyone, it's Sherry Carroll for SimonsandStamp.com with a beautiful day card kit reveal and inspiration. We have an amazing kit for you full of fresh colors and butterfly imagery that'll kickstart your spring card making. I'll start off by showing you the 6x8 stamp set, and this is called Beautiful Day, and it's all designed by Christina Werner with her beautiful handwriting. And it has some graphic butterflies that you can color in with your pencils or Copics, watercolor them, or even shade them with your distress inks. To go along with the stamp set, we've also created a 6x6 stencil, and this mocks the imagery of the stamp set. So there are some fine detailed butterflies and also solid ones that you can use with your embossing paste or stencil onto your cardstock using your inks. This is a really beautiful set to put together. We've also included a full-size foil sheet. This is called Sparkling Silver. This is by ThermoWeb Gina K Designs, and it is really holographic, and you can use those with your glues to add some accents to your cards. Also included in this kit are two full-size distressed oxide ink pads from Holtz. They are Squeezed Lemonade and Mermaid Lagoon. You can use these to stamp with, or there's a technique that Debbie Hughes uses later where she's mixed those up for a background. We're so excited to also include the Holtz Ranger Distress Blending Brush. This is a brush that comes in a collapsible container, and you can use this with your inks and your stencils. And the container is really special. It has a sliding sleeve that goes over the brush bristles, and you pull the sleeve up to place the cap back on. And once you place the cap back on, then you push it all back together. Perfect for travel, especially if you go to crops and retreats. The 6x6 paper pad this month comes from Lawn Fawn, and this is from the Really Rainbow collection. There are 12 single-sided sheets and can be used as backgrounds for your cards, or you can cut them up in strips to add your messages. All of the sheets have some sort of pattern to them, either ledger or diagonal stripes, regular stripes, tone on tone. Some are two-tone and some are rainbow, and this is one of my favorite ones. It's almost as though it's watercolored. Another tone on tone, and also a really nice, almost painted rainbow background. So again, those are from Lawn Fawn. We've also included two of the Simon Says Stamp Brilliant Ultra Heavy White envelopes, and our cardstocks this month are all the Simon Says Stamp. These are the 100-pound, and this is Doll Pink, Bright Yellow, Island Blue, Lipstick Red, and then 2 sheets of the 120 white cardstock. I have some inspiration for you. This first one is from Laura Basson, where she used the butterfly stencil and some of her inks to do her magic. She also cut a little window out for the message. Debbie Hughes mixed her Squeezed Lemonade and Mermaid Lagoon inks to create a beautiful background with white embossed flowers and a white embossed message. I used a lot of the papers to put together a background. I've also stamped my images and colored those with my Copic markers to match the colors of the papers. I hope you've enjoyed a quick look into our card kit of the month called Beautiful Day. And as always, thanks so much for watching.